If I die young, don't tell them I was popular. Don't make me out to be more than I was. If I die young, remember that you loved me, knowing how hard it was to like me sometimes. 'Cause you'd know my flaws if you know me at all, and you know me better than most. If I die young, don't fit the way my story went to someone else's marker of success. And if I die young, throw a party for me. Please be happy, 'cause that's what I'd like best. Please don't wear black and don't look back too much. I want you to be fine. Now, if I die old and I plan to, remember all these things still apply. I'd rather you kept the silly truth in me than to spread some beautiful lie.